guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. Today I'm going to make loom band bracelets. You can order these online. You can use this tool to make the loom bands, and you also need these loom bands. Okay, it's very simple to make, so you can do this yourself. Okay guys, you need this tool to make the loom bands. So I'm going to start with the color blue and white. It's half blue, half white. And pretty simple. You gotta get this here, and you're going to make it like an X, like this, and then put it all down. This time I'm going to use this color. It's purple and blue. I'm just gonna put that on top, but no extras, keep it flat. And then I'm going to do orange on top here. And then for this, you're gonna take the bottom part and then put it up like that. And do that on the other side. It's pretty simple, so you don't need to do an X again. You're just gonna put that on top straight, pull the bottom, and do the same thing all over again. It's pretty simple, guys. The loom band bracelet. We just need to tie it. But before you tie it, you're going to get this tool. And you're also going to get this tire. Okay, how it works, we're going to take these off and then put this through with this. And do that on the other side. Okay, now we've done this, we put them all on. We're gonna take this one off and then take this one off. Then we're gonna take this whole thing off. And we're also gonna take this one off. We're going to get the pink one. And we're gonna put it here. And then get the other one here. And then make it like that. Okay guys, we're done. Since we're done, before the video ends, I'm gonna show you more bracelets that I made. I made a lot. Okay guys, this is how much I made. I'm going to show you the first one that I made. So I made this one. So I hang the bag here. And this one's my mom's. I used different colors. I used glittery purple. I also used this color over here. We have that color in here. We used this one. And I also used some pink and some more of the color like this. So this one is my mom's. And I'm going to tell you which one's my favorite ones. I have a lot of favorite ones. So I like this plain white one over here. It's nice and plain. I love this one. And I also made this glittery one. I also like this one. And guys, when you make these loom band bracelets, you can make some that matches your clothes. And I also like this one. And I have two more that I like. I like this one, the black, blue, and green one. And I also love this one. And also this one. So these are how much I love. I love 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, the one that we made today. also love the 7th one. And by the way, guys, you don't need to do the same colors like me. You can do different colors, like rainbow. And I really love this one. This is my mom's that I made, as I told you. And I also made her this kind of orange one. It's like orange, green, blue, purple, red, and so on. And lots of yellow to this one. Okay, guys. Now I'm done explaining. It's time to say bye. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!